Hey there, it's Claire DeZero here and I head up the Top 5 movement, back again with another mindset hack for your job search. The Top 5 movement and the organisation I head up is one where we're fascinated with how our brain works, and we have training programs and workshops for people in these generous and change-making careers just like you to build your mindset, resilience, capability and leadership impact. So we're fascinated with how this stuff works, and we know that also that changing jobs and looking for a new job gets a bad rap. It often gets statements thrown at it like it's really hard, you feel really vulnerable when you're looking for a job, it takes ages, it's never the right time, and that it's just a really horrible process. And we know sometimes that these things can be true of the job hunting experience, but we also know that people sometimes just accept that that is what their job search experience is going to be like. So the mindset hack that we want to share with you today is that it's actually really powerful and encouraging and helpful to add in some other thoughts into the mix. So you're not just focusing on things like this is a really hard process, or this takes ages, or I'm never going to get a job, but you're also managing to really focus on some thoughts like, my skills and experience are really valuable. It's just a matter of time. The job hunt is just like a big game, and that this is actually easier than I thought. And adding in thoughts like that can really change the way you approach things. It can make you feel more in control, more empowered, more confident, which can lead to more likely to give things a go. Maybe throw your hat into a ring for a job that you maybe not the perfect match for, but you know you can give a really good crack. And if we just stay stuck and focused on those other thoughts, those traditional thoughts and common thoughts that we can have in the job search, like this is too hard, it's taking way too long, it can really hinder our self-esteem and confidence and make us feel really out of control, which can lead to some really strange behaviours, or actually not even any behaviours at all, and it can lead us to just withdraw from the job search and maybe stay in a position where we're not happy. So just some food for thought. What I'd love you to do this week is to write a list of some helpful and encouraging thoughts that you can anchor back to and focus on during your job hunt. It could be like the ones I suggested, like this is easier than I thought, it's all just a big game, it's only a matter of time, there's things I can do every day to make this easier, thoughts like that. And to help with your list, I've pulled together a few examples as well. If you want to head over to the link below, and you can actually just download that list for free. It might be something that you can stick in your notebook or stick on your desk or wherever you spend your job search and time to help make this the best job search and best change you've ever had. Hope this has been helpful. I can't wait to drop into your inbox again next week. In the meantime, if you want to, head on over to top5movement.com and check out our work and resources. Otherwise, good luck with your job search. Thanks.